This occasion that you are seeing was the first time in the history of the world that a machine heavier than air, not a balloon, not an airship, heavier than air, carrying a man, had risen from the ground under its own power. A flight of 24.2 miles in 38.5 minutes. This was such an excellent accomplishment that the Wright brothers then wrote to the War Department and said, well, we've perfected an airplane that we'd like to demonstrate to you. We think it has military possibilities. We'd be very pleased to show it to you.
Before there were planes, there were ideas and dreams. Born from passion, commitment, innovation, and perseverance came the magnificent and sophisticated aircraft that fly today. At CAMAR Aircraft Parts Company, we understand that these complex aircraft are relied upon by our customers and their crews to perform flawlessly at all times. CAMAR was founded by Homer Garten in 1987. The foundation of CAMAR's success was built upon a comprehensive understanding of the complex aircraft parts industry. In his words, understand the products you service better than your competitor, deliver on every promise that you make, and both you and your customer will succeed. More than just a mission statement, this has been CAMAR's strategic intent for the past 28 years, to differentiate CAMAR from all others by focusing on a specific group of military aircraft. He understood that as aircraft became more sophisticated, mastering all products was impossible, but mastering a smaller, select group was a necessity. CAMAR is a premier manufacturer of first-generation aftermarket military airframe and structural components. Our goal is to maintain the largest inventory of parts for the aircraft we service anywhere in the world. But when we do not stock the part, our on-premise, state-of-the-art manufacturing division gives us the ability to promptly fabricate parts. CAMAR has extensive experience manufacturing complex sheet metal and precision machine parts. Our manufacturing facility maintains Haas automated machines. This allows us to fabricate and deliver precise, made-to-print parts. There is no job too big or too small. At CAMAR, we understand that many parts are no longer in production, but drawings for these parts are available, and our experienced staff is equipped to read the original equipment manufacturer's drawings and leverage their extensive knowledge to manufacture parts to the exacting OEM specifications that you require. While our manufacturing practices are meticulous and rigorous, this on-premise capability affords us the flexibility to adjust internal processes to accommodate our customers' schedules. This results in dramatically shorter lead times, especially important for AOG requirements. With aircraft on ground, substantially shorter lead times can save significant costs and return aircraft to service more quickly. If this type of expedited service sounds appealing, then CAMAR can help. We regularly work with our customers to expedite orders, often reducing lead times significantly. Our process also allows us to accommodate our customers with much lower minimum order requirements. The added value of our on-premise manufacturing capabilities presents to our customers an opportunity to have all their needs met while working through a single provider. The result? You're left with more time to focus on your core business of maintaining the aircraft you support. At CAMAR, quality control is vital. We proudly deliver parts that meet or exceed the manufacturer's original specifications. All materials, work in progress, and completed articles are subject to CAMAR's rigid ISO 9001 quality control inspection system. All repair and overhaul work is either performed by the original equipment manufacturer or at an FAA-certified facility. No matter the case, our specialized knowledge, broad service offerings, flexibility to meet your demands, and a consistent delivery of an unparalleled customer experience is what sets us apart from our competitors. When you do business with CAMAR, you won't need to be convinced of our value. You'll see it in the result. Tagging and tracking is always in accordance with the highest industry standards. Utilizing this program, CAMAR's clients are assured fast and accurate turnaround. CAMAR provides full warranty and aftermarket support for all material processed through the overhaul program, and full service documentation enables an efficient flow of material. The CAMAR team is comprised of committed individuals ready to take ownership of your orders, start to finish. Keeping your aircraft in the air isn't just an idea, it's our responsibility. This promise to our customers has fueled our success, and continual innovation and process improvement is passed along as cost savings to our customers. We are conveniently located near international airports, allowing for immediate parts dispatch. CAMAR has 2 East Coast offices, and we proudly service an international array of clients spanning the globe. CAMAR, a global enterprise, is headquartered in Southern California, where we maintain a state-of-the-art, on-premise manufacturing facility, as well as a 25,000 square foot warehouse featuring a well-cataloged multi-million-dollar inventory. And while CAMAR proudly represents a wide-ranging group of product lines, we are always looking to form new strategic partnerships to provide our customers with an even wider variety of available parts. If your company currently holds excess inventory, we want to discuss our warehousing and consignment programs with you. If you're a manufacturing company, call us immediately. Together, we will create the optimal solution to substantially increase your revenue and customer base. CAMAR proudly supports Lockheed Martin's C-130 Hercules, C-5 Galaxy, F-16 Fighting Falcon, and the P-3 Orion. Sikorsky's CH-53 Sea Stallion, S-61 Sea King, SH-3 Sea King, and the UH-60 Blackhawk. Boeing-supported aircraft include the CH-47 Chinook, F-15 Eagle, F-18 Hornet, AH-64 Apache, and the AV-8 Harrier. Northrop Grumman's F-5 Freedom Fighter, T-38 Talon, and the E-2 Hawkeye. CAMAR also supports McDonnell Douglas's A-4 Skyhawk and F-4 Phantom, North American's OV-10 Bronco, Cessna's T-37 Tweet, de Havilland's DHC-4 Caribou, and the Pilatus PC-6 Turboporter and the PC-9M. CAMAR Aircraft Parts Company. Contact us now. Let us show you what you've been missing in a supply partner. For more information, check out our website for the personalized service you deserve. Call us directly. Let us prove not only what we can do, but also how much better we can do it than our competitors. Contact us today. CAMAR Aircraft Parts Company. Committed to excellence, committed to you.